Hey, what's this?
It's an oobleck.
An oobleck? What's an oobleck? Is it a solid or a liquid?
Check it yourself.
Okay. It is flowing. It's a liquid.
Yes, it is. But are you sure that it is not a solid?
How can it be a solid when it is a liquid?
I can prove you that it's a solid too. Try to scrape it with this spatula.
How can I scrape a liquid?
Try it once. You will see it for yourself.
Okay. Wait, what's happening? It's a solid and a liquid. It's a solid and a liquid. Oh, it's a solid and a liquid.
Yes, it is. Come, now I will show you how to make it. Hi
Okay.
everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to do the experiment 13, making Oobleck from the Ultimate Science Kit. So the equipments needed for this experiment are 1 cup and 1 spatula. The materials from kit are blue and yellow food colors and cornstarch. The material from home is water. Step 1. Add 7 to 8 scoops of cornstarch to the cup. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Step 2. Add 5 ml water to the cup. Then add 2 drops of blue color. And 2 drops of yellow color to the cup. And mix well till the water is completely mixed. Now the water is completely mixed with the cornstarch. Step 3. Try tilting the cup. The mixture should flow like water. But when you tap it with the spatula, it would feel like a solid. This would show that your oobleck is ready. If the mixture is too watery, add more cornstarch and continue mixing. Did you see? When you tilt the cup, the oobleck flows like a liquid. Yes, but when you tap the oobleck with the spatula, it feels solid. Yes, science behind this. Oobleck does not fall under the category of solids or liquids. It is a non-Newtonian fluid. It acts like a liquid until you apply pressure. Then it acts like a solid. So that's it for today. Hope you all liked this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon to get all our notifications. Bye bye.